everyone, my name is Lim Feng Ying and I'm from L6A, and today I'm going to talk about the global movement to restore the nature biodiversity. And this focuses on reversing the decline of ecosystem and species that caused by human activities. And this initiative emphasizes three things, which is conservation, sustainable activities, and habitat protection. And there's 5 keys which included in this, which is firstly, having protected area, second, reforestation and afforestation, third, having wetland restoration, and fourth, which is having species recovery program, and lastly, fifth is community engagement. So back to the first one, which is having protected area, which is about establishing the wildlife reserve and national park to have a safeguard for the critical habitat area. So can you imagine if the protected area does not exist, what will happen? So the animal will face the problem of becoming extinct or maybe become endangered species, and moreover, the next generation may not have the chance to see as many species as we have today. So second, which is reforestation and afforestation. Forest is very important to everybody in this world, as forests can produce oxygen that can make our temperature, environment, and weather become better and more suitable for the animal to live. And thirdly, which is wetland restoration. This can enhance the biodiversity and can increase the water quality. And furthermore, which is fourth, which is species recovery program. And this is about targeting the endangered animal and targeting them into a breeding progress, which prevent them from facing extinction. And there's some example for the species that are currently facing the problem of endanger, which is Malayan tiger, orangutan, and also Malayan sun bear, which is the smallest bear in the world. And lastly, which is community engagement. So this is about involving the local community in the activity of conservation and sustainable activity. So can you imagine if the community does not take this restoration seriously? If they did not take this restoration seriously, there's something serious will happen. So the things that can be done by the community is 5R, which is rethink, reuse, recycle, refuse, and reduce. And I think together we can make a difference for next generation too.